Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the image in your Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to choose the AI character, that which AI character you want to use. So as you can see, I have choose this one. And after choosing the AI character, what we need to do, we have to go to the image section. So let's click on the image section. And after clicking on the image section, you will be able to see the different types of images here. If you want to upload your own one, you can also do that. So as you can see now, these images are provided here. For example, I want this one, so you can also add this one here. This is the AI character. So let's skip this here. And I'm going to increase the size of this image here. So let's increase the size. As you can see, I have made this like this. As you can see now, you can adjust this anywhere. So in this way, you can add the image. If you want to add different types of image, like you can go to the free pick website, you can go to your own images option, you can go to your brand images. You will get the different types of images here. So in this way, you can add the image in your video on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.